This is the giant MELLIF 40-volt snow shovel, compatible with the DeWalt battery. This shovel don't come with DeWalt battery or any batteries. Now you can buy the MELLIF battery that fit those tools, or you can just use your own DeWalt battery. Of course, the higher the amp power that you're going to use, the more power you're going to give to this motor. For this test, we're using two 4 amp hour DeWalt batteries. Now we're gonna throw the snow right in front of us, but if you pull this trigger here and you move it sideways or the other side, now you can zigzag the snow whichever way you want, about 30 degrees one way or 30 degrees the other way. Now you activate your snow shovel by pressing this lever down. Now you can press the trigger. It's been raining all morning, so we're in the middle of January. This afternoon it cooled down to -1 or 2 degrees Celsius, but this is the kind of snow that you can expect here. Very icy and wet, and this is from snowbank that got pushed in this at the end of this parking lot with a plow. You can see that there's actually a layer of ice and slush at the bottom of the snow. Oops, I pushed it too hard. I made it go in overload mode. Let's try it against ice. Now in deep, wet snow. Finally a spot with no ice underneath, so we can go all the way to the pavement. It's a little bit hard to see on camera, but can you see how far and high it's throwing that snow? As you can see, we've been pushing the snow shovel through some very hard tests right now. Like, it's actually a giant pile of snow. It goes all the way to the tree line over there. So the snow bank over there, if I line it up with myself, it goes about here. And the snow shovel, even from the ground down here, I was throwing the snow right on top of it. So that's pretty impressive here. I don't know, I don't have my tape measure with me, so I cannot tell you how far the snow went, but it went pretty far. So I'm pretty impressed with this thing. The snow shovel is pretty strong. The only downside that I have to say about this here is it looks like the shaft that goes in here, even though I tightened this all the way. This is actually moving a little bit back and forth like this. So I'm not sure what's going on here. But other than that, the snow shovel is a little bit, it's powerful, but it's pretty heavy, so it's a little bit too heavy for you to start having to lift the snow shovel and holding it up as you're trying to shave the snowbank down. It's made more for, you know, going smooth against the ground like this. So, but whatever you're going to have on your driveway, it's going to be able to do it. Even the little bit of snow from the plow that you might have at the end of your driveway after the plow goes in, that's not bad for that. This was a little bit extreme test, but it's to show you what it can handle. If you're interested in getting one of those, I'll have a link in the description with a discount code for you. Of course, the discount code is the name of the channel, so Toolspecs, if you don't already know. Anyway, you get a discount code if you go buy it directly from manufacturer at MELLIF.com. If you're more interested into Amazon, I got the Amazon affiliate link. You can usually find the MELLIF snow shovel on Amazon. And again, if you didn't find that snow shovel powerful enough for what you want to do with it, you can always go up in the amp hour, and that will give you even a stronger shovel that can throw the snow a little bit farther, and I have more juice to turn that auger down and chew up through that snow and ice for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, And yeah, stay tuned. I have a lot more test video coming up, so you don't want to miss that.